Hi, this is the maths instructions for Friday the 3rd of April. This is the learning intention for today. It's to add amounts of money with decimals. The success criteria is I can use expanded addition by partitioning money amounts, or I can use both expanded and decimal amounts to add. And the third success criteria is to understand and work out the challenge questions that have been set. Anyway, if you have a look at the learning reminders, it shows on the first slide how you expand £3.24 and £2.58 by partitioning the pounds, the tens and the ones. And what you can do there is just add the ones first, so 8p and 4p is 12p, the 2p is placed under the units, and the 1 is the 10p, which goes under the tens, which are added to the 20 and the 50, and with the 10 that's carried over, it makes the 80. Nothing is carried over to the pounds, so you've got £3 and £2, £5, 80p, 2p, you put them back together is £5.82. That gives you the working out for that one. The reminder below shows you how to use the compact. So 324 plus 258 is rewritten with the decimals in place, £3.24 plus £2.58, and it's the same method as the partitioning. On the back is showing again how to remember how to do the compact addition. So it's in your favour to know both methods, and that's what we're going to do. So on the mild sheet, you've got missing numbers which need to be filled in. So there's different ways to record this. So if you look at the first one, £1, 20, and the pennies are missing, and you're adding it to £2, 30, and something that's missing. You've got to put in the numbers there. So if you look under the unit columns, the ones, it comes to 8. So these two can either be any two numbers that make up 8p. It could be 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, 7 and 1. It makes no difference. So we do 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 make 8. 20p and 30p make 50p. And then £1 and £2 make £3. So altogether it's £3.58. Or it can be rewritten as 3.5. Sorry, there you go, £3.58. If you can carry on doing the other ones that are missing, the first column is easy, 5p and 1p will be 6p, which two numbers will make 20p. I think you can work that one out. And this one here. So carry on doing that, and if you can make yourself do the challenge, choose 3 amounts and add them, repeat this twice. So you can see there are 5 amounts there. You've got to add 3 amounts and then add them. If you can repeat this twice, and then you can see which is the largest total possible, what's the smallest total possible, and how close can you get to £90. Which 3 amounts can you get as close to £90 as possible? Now that's the challenge. If you're feeling more adventurous and want to achieve the hot activity, you got 6 amounts where you've got to use the expanded or compact addition to answer these questions. Part 2 is use expanded edition and then compact edition to answer these questions. So there's 3 questions there. And part 3 is using compact edition to answer these additions. So just keep them as they are in their decimal format. And then the challenges, see how well you can get on with that. Let's see if you can understand them. If you need to look at the answer sheet for one of the answers, you can, but try and do the rest by yourself. And there you go. If you're a little bit stuck, you can follow the pocket money, where you're using, you can actually use some 10p and 1p coins if you've got any available, and then take in turns to choose 2 items from the website page, find the total. You can use 10p and 1p coins or draw a jotting to help you, a bit like this. So you've got a choice of 10 items, and they're all different amounts, and then you choose them and then work out their totals. Okay. And then everyone can try and check your understanding of the lesson. So here we've got 4 activities to see how well you can do, and the answers are given. Okay, good luck.